Hello and welcome. The IPO market is gearing up for many big ticket offers, and there is particular excitement around new age businesses that are looking to list. The biggest buzz perhaps is around the IPO of FSN e-commerce ventures, that is Nykaa. My name is Sanam, and I will take you through the hot topic on the last street right now. The Nykaa IPO will hit the market on Thursday with an overall IPO size of about 5,352 crores. The IPO has been priced at 1,085 to 1,125 per share, which would mean that they are seeking a valuation of about $7.1 billion. The IPO will be a mix of fresh stock and offer for sale. Founder Falguni Nair and her family will continue to own a majority stake in the company after the IPO. Interestingly, Falguni Nair headed Kotak Investment Banking for many years before founding Nykaa in 2012. Kotak Investment Banking is one of the bankers to the IPO. Now, in the unofficial market, Nykaa is commanding a significant premium of about 650 to 670 rupees, which means that if everything remains constant, the company could list at a premium of about 60% to the offer price. So now, why is it garnering such a premium in the market? Why is there so much interest around Nykaa? The thing is, it's a profitable startup with a strong promoter reputation. Profitability is not a trait that many startups share with Nykaa. It is the second startup or new age business to list in the market after Zomato. If you remember, Zomato listed at a very strong premium after a very strong response to its IPO in July. So the term new age business is drawing a huge interest in the market, as we saw in the IPO of Zomato. You can gauge that also from the lineup that we have. The IPOs of Paytm, Policy Bazaar and MobiKwik are all lined up for the coming months. Now, why is there such a high interest around Nykaa, and how is it likely to fare going ahead in the online beauty industry? Ajit Mishra, Vice President Research at Religare Broking, tells us.
So Nykaa has huge opportunities in Indian markets, considering the possible aggregate size of rupees 10.6 trillion in the fast-growing beauty, personal care, and fashion industries by 2025. And the growth is projected to be primarily driven by the market shift towards the organized sector, high growth of the e-commerce due to the increased internet penetration, and the growing wallet share for the beauty, personal care, and fashion products. At the same time, this industry is benefiting from increased spending, leading to the subsequent premiumization across the categories. And further, compared to the other matured e-commerce categories, beauty, personal care, and fashion have lower online penetration. So Nykaa is well placed to benefit from the growing industry trend, given its resilient, capital-efficient business with a combination of strong growth and profitability. And its financial performance has been strong, with the revenue CAGR of around 48% over FY19 to 21. And the operating margin has also been marked improvement, from 1.85% in the FY19 to 6.61% in the FY21.
Let us now understand about Nykaa's financials and how it navigated the pandemic period.
Nykaa is an omni-channel retailer for beauty and lifestyle products, which means it has its own offline stores as well as its own online platform through which it sells products. Now, because of the pandemic, the company has seen a wide adoption of online channel, and 95% of its business is now coming from the online platform compared to just about 5% from its offline stores. It has about 80 stores right now in India, but the mix of online and offline sales is likely to change further over the coming quarters. Interestingly, for Nykaa, which too was affected by the pandemic and lockdowns, has seen a gradual recovery in its GMVs. GMV means gross merchandise value, the total value of goods sold on its platform, including the discounts but excluding the returns. Now, interestingly, it recorded almost 200 million of GMV in the first quarter of the ongoing financial year, which includes the beauty and personal care business as well as its fashion vertical. This is significantly higher than the first quarter of last financial year, where it almost nosedived to around 60 million. This shows Nykaa has been able to withstand the effect of the pandemic and continues to grow from it. Nykaa is also a profitable e-commerce firm, unlike many other startups that are going public right now. Interestingly, Nykaa will, besides its expansion in India, Nykaa will also look to expand internationally in markets like the Middle East, UK, and the Europe. It will continue to be a multi-brand retailer, but Falguni Nair, founder and CEO of Nykaa, also said they are looking to build their own house of brands going forward as part of the company's vision. This is important given it's coming at a time when a lot of ventures are acquiring relatively smaller brands and looking to build them.
So how are brokerages approaching this IPO of Nykaa? Many of the brokerages, including Motilal Oswal, BP Wealth, and Hem Securities, have recommended subscribing to the IPO of Nykaa. Piyush Nagda, head of investment products at Prabhudas Lilladher, explains why he thinks investors should subscribe to the IPO of Nykaa.
We think it's a great opportunity for investors to get a slice of this leading lifestyle-focused consumer tech platform. Nykaa has a unique distribution model through online as well as physical stores. On online side, they have close to 55 million plus mobile app downloads, and they have 80 stores in 40 cities. And they have a very wide assortment of more than 2600 plus brands across makeup and personal care categories. And the icing on the cake is that they have converted their 16 crore loss, their 16 crore FY20 loss into a 61 crore profit in FY21 with a gross merchandise value growth at 238% versus previous quarter. With these numbers and looking at the size of the market, we are very positive on this fast growing company led by a very capable management team, and we recommend a buy on this IPO.
So going forward, Nykaa intended to continuously acquire new clients and focus on the loyalty programs for the existing customers. And it also plans to expand into the lifestyle agencies and launch new channels. And at the same time, they are exploring selectively to explore the international markets as well. So given the positive industry prospects and Nykaa's strong foothold, we have a positive view on the company for the long term.
We hope this video gives you a fair idea about how to approach Nykaa IPO. We'll keep doing more videos like this. Keep watching this space.